Hey guys, we are back with STEMscopedia, and today we're going to be talking about the Piedmont Habitat. Some of the things I really want you to listen out for are where's Piedmont located, a description of the Piedmont Habitat, meaning basically what does it look like, some of the animals that live there, and some of the plants that grow there, and then an interesting fact that you found interesting. All right, so let's get started. All right, the Piedmont Habitat. The Piedmont region has low rolling hills. Piedmont means foot of the mountain. Forests, lakes, and rivers spread out on a sloping plateau from the mountains to the coastal area. It is located between, they go that, located between the coastal plains and the mountains in the northern half of Georgia. The Piedmont has many of the same trees as the mountain region. The biggest difference between the Piedmont region and the mountain region is that the Piedmont has warmer temperatures because it's not as hot as the mountain region. So basically, let's take a look at a picture of where the Piedmont is located. Oh, here it is. All right, so this is the Piedmont. Now that's like near the Atlanta area. And so it's just right below the mountains. So the weather is a little bit warmer because the further we go down south, we get closer to the equator, and that's where the sun directly hits. So y'all learn a little bit about that in social studies. But they cut the trees down when they started settling here, and y'all are going to talk about that, or you may have already talked about it when y'all talked about the 13 colonies of Georgia. But that was just kind of a picture of what that looks like. All right, so the biggest difference between the Piedmont region and the mountain region is that the Piedmont has warmer temperatures because it's not as hot as the mountain region. Now, the Piedmont had lost its forest when settlers cut it down hundreds of years ago. That's the 13 colonies that y'all talked about. This caused erosion and exposed Georgia's red clay soil. Eventually, pine trees like those in the mountains grew back. Live oak and dogwood are also common in this area. So those are a type of tree. Here's a picture of live oak, and this is also a picture of dogwood. Those are trees. I know that kind of looks like a bush and a flower, but that's actually grown off of a tree. Let's see if I can click on it. It's a really pretty tree. All right, so the Piedmont is home to a variety of animals, including the white-tailed deer, raccoon, rattlesnake, and the brown thrasher. And so they have a picture of the rattlesnake, there's a brown thrasher, and the raccoon. All right, so what I want you to do is highlight the location. So go back, we've already read it. Where is it located? Tell me what are some of the animals that live here. I want you to highlight this in your paper, and also tell me what are some of the plants. Now, I've done the location, I've done the animals. Now you can do the plants, and I want you to tell me and describe what does the Piedmont look like. Now, do not highlight everything on your paper. Only highlight those things that I said, okay? All right, so that's it for today. See you later.